Carbon buildup on pistons, cylinder walls, and the block deck can hurt engine performance and fuel efficiency. Careful cleaning restores smooth operation without damaging engine parts. Here are some methods to remove carbon from pistons, cylinder walls, and the block deck. To clean car pistons with a vacuum, hold a shop vacuum with a small nozzle close to the piston while scraping to collect loosened debris, then wipe the surface clean to ensure no particles remain. Apply a thin layer of grease or lubricant around the piston to lubricate all the parts. Spray the pistons with carb cleaner and let them sit for about 20 minutes. Using a brush, gently scrub the surface to loosen deposits. For stubborn buildup, use a plastic scraper to remove carbon, then clean the surface thoroughly with a microfiber towel. Next, take 200 grit sandpaper and rub it evenly over the surface, then vacuum or blow out any loose particles. Finally, place a wax string between the piston and the cylinder walls, spray piston cleaner, and scrub gently with a toothbrush to remove carbon deposits from between the piston and the cylinder walls. A scraper quickly removes stubborn carbon, reaches tight areas, and cleans surfaces without damaging the metal. Use a plastic or brass scraper at a shallow angle to gently lift carbon from pistons, cylinder walls, and the block deck without scratching. Then, spray brake cleaner onto the surface and rub it back and forth to remove all carbon buildup. Finally, clean the surface with a microfiber towel. You will get just amazing results by using this method. A grease remover dissolves oily residue, making carbon easier to clean and leaving engine parts ready for reassembly. WD-40 helps remove carbon from pistons, cylinder walls, and the block deck by penetrating and loosening stubborn deposits for easier cleaning. Its lubricating properties help reduce the risk of scratching metal surfaces during cleaning, while also providing a thin protective layer to prevent rust and corrosion once the area is cleaned. Additionally, WD-40 can help displace moisture from engine parts, ensuring a cleaner surface for reassembly and improving the overall efficiency of the cleaning process. Here are some additional tips to remove carbon from pistons, cylinder walls, and the block deck. Work on a cool engine to avoid burns and allow cleaning chemicals more time to loosen carbon deposits. Place clean rags around pistons to catch debris and prevent contamination during cleaning. With the right tools, products, and careful technique, you can effectively remove carbon from pistons, cylinder walls, and the block deck, restoring engine performance and ensuring smooth, reliable operation.